Hi guys! This is the video for Module 7, and if you're in periods 5, 7, or 8, these are your instructions for my sub-day. So, I'm going to walk you through what you should be doing for Module 7. So, you are going to go to the module or click Current Lesson, and as always, do the warm-up. So, this warm-up is a tricky one, but it's also excellent practice, especially since in our next class, Thursday or Friday, we're going to have a quiz. And the quiz will be over kinetic and potential energy. So this warm-up is very important practice for that. So go ahead and pause this video and do your warm-up. The next thing in the module is your notes on different forms of energy. So far, we've been talking only about two types of energy, kinetic and potential. There's actually so many more forms of energy in the universe, and you use almost all of them every single day. So, first thing you need to do is copy the notes for this lesson, notes 2, forms of energy. Once you've made a copy, make sure you move them into your science folder and unit 4, I've got the power. This is only your second page of notes for this unit. So go ahead and pause this video and move this into the correct folder. All right, so let's go back over to the Canvas tab. Get this out of the way. If you're in my period 5, 7, or 8, or even if you're in 1 and 3, I would like you to do the Pear Deck. So this is going to be a self-paced Pear Deck, and you know the drill. So I'm just going to close that out, but I want you to go through those notes and answer all the questions in the Pear Deck. And while you go through the slides, make sure you fill out the blanks throughout your notes. Now, when you're finished with the notes, and I'm not going to walk you through them, but there's also a slideshow version right here. When you're finished with those notes, you're going to take a little practice quiz. Now, this is what we just learned, so of course you can use your notes. This is not an official quiz. So this is just to practice what you just learned. Each question has a picture or an object, but it also has a sentence. So most objects can involve, or they can represent 2 or 3 different forms of energy. So be sure to read the sentence to get the question right. Matchsticks contain blank energy that they use to burn, okay? So multiple forms of energy exist when we're talking about matches, but read the sentence for the correct answer. So once you've finished your 6-question practice and you submit that quiz, we're going to do that. The last part of today's module is a study guide. So like I said at the beginning, we're having a quiz in our next class, and the quiz is over kinetic and potential energy. So here's 4 topics. In addition to kinetic and potential energy, you will have questions about calculating energy, so using the formulas, and questions involving the idea of friction, which was also a part of your notes. So speaking of notes, my study guide simply tells you that you need to review your notes called Notes 1 Energy Basics. If you click on this link, this will take you right to where we first got these notes. Okay, this is back in Module 1, I believe. And you can go through the whole thing again if you need to, or you can just open up your notes and look at them. Let me go back, because the other very important tool to use for this quiz is the Quizlet. So this is the Quizlet. It's embedded right here. I've linked to it. And you can choose a study mode. So flashcards are nice to start with as a warm-up. There's all sorts of words in these flashcards. It's not just kinetic and potential energy, but it's always good to start studying them. You can also do match. So you can drag the pictures and the definitions to their word. You can also test yourself, okay? So this is a great use of time if you finish the module early today. All right, good luck with all that, and I'll see you next time.